Students, let's learn about notice writing and how to properly format a notice. So what a notice is, it's a formal communication, and the purpose of a notice is always to announce or to inform about certain event, and this information you want to share with a specific group of people or with common public. While writing a notice, there are certain things which we should keep in mind. First thing is word limit. It should not be more than 50 words, and every word has to be quite relevant. Second thing is proper formatting of notice. That is also important. Then we have to keep in mind that it has to be written in indirect speech and in passive voice, and we have to always use third person pronoun, and always avoid first person pronouns like I and we. And now formatting is very important. How to properly format a notice. We always write a notice inside a box. What we will do is draw a rectangular or square box. On the top of that box, in the middle and top of that box, we will put the name of the organization or the institution. And after that, we will put the title notice. It has to be italicized. Then to the left side of the page, we will write the date, exact date of the issuance of that notice. Then after that, in the next line, in the middle of that page, we write the title of that notice. And then comes the main content. When you have finished writing the main content, then we have to put down our signature. It has to be in the left hand side of your notice. Then after that, write down your name, and you also have to mention, after that you also have to mention the designation of that person, of the signatory or the issuing authority who has issued that notice. So this is the proper formatting of the notice we have to keep in the mind. But how to write the main content of a notice, that is also very important. There are certain things we have to keep in mind here. Three things are very important while writing a notice. One thing is date, second is time, and third is place. Date, time, and place, and the contact number is also important. So let's try to learn it through a simple example. Say that your college is going to organize an annual prize distribution function, and suppose that you are the secretary of cultural committee of your college, and you have to inform all the students about this function, and you want certain students who should be participating in different cultural activities which are also going to happen on that day. So how would you write that notice? So again, that proper format has to be followed. A square box, name of the institution, it will be the name of your college, then notice, then date, and after that you will have to put that title. What will be the title? Annual prize distribution function. Okay, and after that we start writing that main content. So how would you start it? What you would write there is that such and such college is going to organize annual prize distribution function. When that date is to be put there. Now when it is going to happen, you have to mention the date. Then also mention about where it is going to be organized, whether it is going to be the college auditorium or someplace else. So date, time, at what time it is going to start, you have to clearly mention that as well. And then you are going to ask for the participants, those who are interested in participating in those cultural activities, and mention that on such and such date or before that date you have to contact me or contact that person, signatory authority who has written it. So at last what you are going to put down is your signature, name, and then that designation. So what is your designation here? That you are the secretary of cultural committee of your college. So you have also given your contact number, so all that participants should be able to contact you. So these are certain things which have to be kept in mind. Where, when, at what time, at what place. So date, time, place and contact number. These are certain things which have to be kept in mind while writing the main content of the notice. So I think this is all about the proper formatting of a notice. What we have to keep in mind, we have to draw a rectangular or square box and put all the information inside it in a proper format. So this is all about notice writing. I hope you have been able to understand it properly now. Thank you very much.